Hey guys, in this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make this scrolling timeline animation in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro. So let's get started. Alright, I have already created a 1920 by 1080p sequence. Firstly, we have to select the type tool and then add the first year where the animation will begin, and keep adding the year until you reach the final year where the animation will end. And then, let's move over to the Essential Graphics panel to customize the text. You can change the font style and font size. Also, you can change the color of your text. And lastly, we have to align the text horizontally and vertically by clicking on these align icons. In the next step, let's move over to the Effect Controls panel and find the Vector Motion panel. Now we have to increase the X position parameter value to scroll the text right side until the first year is in the center of the screen. Next, in the Opacity panel, we have to create a 4-point polygon rectangle mask by clicking on this icon. After that, we have to customize the mask to something like this. And then, we have to make the mask feather value around 70 to 100. And if you notice that the mask is revealing a part of the following gear, you can decrease the mask expansion by a bit. In the next step, let's move over to the Effects panel to apply a Gaussian blur effect. Let's drag and drop the Gaussian blur effect onto the text layer. Then, let's go over to the Effect Controls panel and make sure the time indicator is at the beginning of the text layer. Next, we need to create keyframes for the position parameter in the Vector Motion panel and the blurriness parameter of the Gaussian blur effect by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Now, from the blur dimensions parameter, we have to select horizontal, and then we have to move the time indicator a few seconds forward. Here we have to create another keyframe for the position parameter and the blurriness parameter. And then we have to decrease the X position parameter value to scroll the text left side until the last year is in the center of the screen. After that, we have to move the time indicator to the middle position between two keyframes. Here we have to make the blurriness parameter value around 150. Also, we can improve this by right-clicking on the last keyframe of the position parameter, and then under the Temporal Interpolation panel, we have to select Ease In. Again, right-click on the first keyframe, and then, under the Temporal Interpolation panel, we have to select Ease Out. This will make the scrolling timeline animation look a lot smoother. Alright, now you can see on the program monitor, with these couple of steps, we have created this simple scrolling timeline animation. Now let's click on the drop-down menu of the position parameter to expand the speed graph panel, and then let's drag and move the blue handles slightly left and right side to slow the animation down. Alright, the scrolling timeline animation creation is complete. In this way, you can create a scrolling timeline animation in just a few simple steps inside Premiere Pro.